Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back with the results of close-up coins from over the weekend, and let's get straight on to coin number one. The first coin then is Paddington outside Buckingham Palace. We move on then to number two, this coin from the Beatrix Potter coin collection, and definitely one of my fan favourites. It's a 2018 Miss Tittlemouse. Coin number three is another Beatrix Potter from the previous year, and this coin is the Mr. Jeremy Fisher. Coin number four is from the year 2000. You can see this one quite easy at the bottom, and it is indeed the Public Library's 50 pence coin. Coin number five, it was a territory coin, and it was from the Isle of Man, and it is actually the St. Edward's Cross commemorative coin. A huge shout out if you were lucky enough to get this one correct. An absolute stunning coin. One of 5 coins from the Sapphire Jubilee coin collection. So let's have a little look then to see who managed to score all 5 correct. Their names are on the screen now. Terence Day, Myrtle Plays, Ian Strudwick, Smithy7890 and also Norman Graham. There was a couple of problems with comments over the course of the weekend. So again, if I haven't read your name out and you did comment, please don't think that I am ignoring your comment. I am just really sorry. Sometimes they don't save properly. I do think it did happen over the course of the weekend, so if you did get them all right, let me know, and I'll re-shout you out in the next close-up coins video. I will be making it tomorrow, so again, please do let me know any categories of close-up coins that you would like to see, and I will pick someone's category and give them a shout out as well. Again, a huge shout out to everyone that played along. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.